Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, so for another video. So today we're at a place called Watergrove, Reservoir in Wardle, Rochdale. I have done, just after Christmas I did a video of where we walked right around the reservoir. But today I'm going to show you where I'm at right now. It's called Blue Pot Tunnel. It is one of the shortest of the tunnels, two tunnels. Hades Tunnel I might do as a separate video. That's one of the longest tunnels, which is over in Hades Hill. I'm going to take you back down to the reservoir. I'm going to take you over to Wardle Hill, and I'm going to take you over to Whitworth as well, and then towards the top end of Watergrove is Highest Lack Nature Reserve. I'm going to show you a few pictures of there, take you around there. So yeah, hopefully you'll like today's video. Smash the like and subscribe.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside.
So Blue Pot Tunnel was the first tunnel to be driven and is 566 yards in length, while Hades Tunnel is 900 yards in length. Both constructed in 1937 and are typically at a depth of between 30 to 60 metres below ground level.
Summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want.
enjoyed today's video, click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell to never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, see you next week.